This is how you get it out of the barn. This is the leg, which is a little bit unstable. This here is this is the pivot. Don't take that off. Take this off right here. That's a pin that comes right out. It's bolted in with a nut. So loosen the nut, take the screw out. This one here, that one there, right there. Take that out. And then this leg will swing back and up out of the way. And that's where it locks. So when it's in this position, put that brown bolt back in it over there. But you'll find that you'll need to do it very carefully. So make sure it's almost ready, like back the car in here. And you may need to move this a little bit, like right or left. It moves gently. But what I'm saying, it's a little bit tricky. You have to sort of lift it up and then swing the leg back whenever you're ready to hitch it. You don't do it first or else it'll just lay on the ground. I guess you could do it that way. This is the hydraulic jack. It's leaking oil right here. See all this oil? It's a slow leak and we'll have to eventually deal with it. David will have to be involved because it's his log splitter. This operates in two positions. This is horizontal, but then you have to carry the logs up into that little gap there and split them. You have to carry every log up. So the best thing to do is to pull this pin right here, pull this pin out, and lift this whole apparatus up. And I'll do it in a second here. Hold on. That takes some strength. Maybe Hyro can pull the pin while you make it vertical. You see how it's vertical now? And of course you have to put the leg back in position. Actually, the best thing to do is to keep it on the Durango the whole time because the Durango is very stable, whereas this thing will wobble around on you if it's not on the Durango. If it's freestanding like this, which is how I used to use it, I find it best to do it attached to the Durango. This is the on-off. That's off. That's on. This is the gas valve. That's off. That's no gas. That's good gas. This is the choke right here. You can start it in various positions. I'm going to try it this way. And then this is the thing that starts it. wasn't talking that whole time because it's so loud. But basically, you get the idea. You have to make sure that the log is underneath this cleaver here, this cutting blade, and on this piece of metal. If the log is on the ground and you push the blade into it, it'll knock everything right over, because the bottom of the log must be here, and the top of the log must be here, inside this blade. And it pinches it and splits it. That's how it works. Love you.